Okay, so we're on our second stage of the Coleman pop-up Bayside Elite camper with the ABS damaged roof. As you can see, we have fixed what cracks that we could. We used the product which was a Gorilla Glue, commonly found at hardware stores. That helped in repairing the delamination or the separation of the plastic in the foam core. Highly recommended. Need to be very careful with the glue because the glue is very good and is not very forgiving. As you can see, we did add the U-Pol Fiberall Light. It's a fiberglass filler. We went ahead and added a little bit of flexible Bondo that will be sanded off in the final sanding, which will give everything a uniform height. And the product that we're going to use is going to be Raptor U-Pol and the Raptor U-Pol bed liner. The kit is a complete kit. It comes with 4 individual bottles. It's activator or hardener, and you can purchase the gun to shoot it with sold separately. Each product is pre-measured. The product goes up to here. Actually, the product is up to here. You add the hardener to each particular container up to here. And then, it's kind of hard to see, but there's another line which is here, and that is your tint or your color that you can add to the tintable version of this liner kit, which is what we're going to use in the next day. So in the kit, it gives you enough to do a full-size truck bed, which in this case we're going to use 2 complete kits. You simply add your activator, add your tint, shake the product, screw the spray nozzle on the product, and spray the product on the surface, which is a truck bed liner. Highly UV protected, waterproof, hard but yet flexible. Hard as far as tensile strength, but flexible as far as durability. We will make another recording during the process and after the product's completely done.